Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Roblox voice chat work. To begin, you must first verify your age. This is the only way to enable the feature. Your Roblox account needs to be at least 13 years old. You will also require a valid government-issued identification document, such as a driver's license or passport, to complete the verification process. Without these two crucial requirements, voice chat cannot be activated on your account. Once you meet the age and ID requirements, navigate to your Roblox privacy settings. Look for the Verify My Age option and click on it. The system will then guide you through scanning your government-issued ID using your device's camera. You'll also be prompted to take a quick selfie for liveness detection. The entire verification process typically takes only a few minutes to complete, so be patient. After your age verification is successfully completed, return to the privacy settings within Roblox. You should now see a new toggle option labeled Enable Voice Chat. Simply switch this toggle to the on position to activate the feature. Acknowledge any pop-up messages regarding the terms of service for voice chat. Once enabled, you can join experiences that support voice communication and start interacting with other players. If you encounter any issues after enabling voice chat, there are a few troubleshooting steps you can take. First, check your device's sound settings to ensure your microphone is properly configured and not muted. Also, confirm that Roblox has the necessary permissions to access your microphone. If problems persist, try restarting the Roblox application or even your entire device. Finally, ensure you have a stable internet connection for optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.